Hey, the sun is out, it's shining, this is rare in England. So I was feeling like channeling a little bit of Bob Marley, and I thought, ooh, some reggae beats might be handy for y'all out there. So, reggae beats, okay, it's different from your normal pop and your rock, because that's all like 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Reggae is going to come on the 2 and the 4, okay? Right, stay with me on this. So instead of going, if I just palm you a minute, 1, 2, 3, 4, you'd be going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But probably not that fast, because then we're getting into ska and it's going a bit into madness territory. So you'd probably just chill out. As I always say to my students, chill out, think you're on the beach, you know, imagine all the lovely waves and just be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Get nice and mellow. See, it's perfect that I wore yellow today. It really works with this. Okay, so we're going to have a little bit of a look at Three Little Birds. So let's give it a go. So this is going to go between the bar chord of A. Now, the reason I'm using bar chords, not power chords, and not down there, is because if it's down there, I haven't got much control, and you'll see what I mean as I go on with my bar chords. But stay with me for a minute. Okay, so we're going to use bar chords. We're going to use A, D, and E. Let me move that middle finger out the way so you can see what they're doing for D. There's D, there's E. Now this is because my weird hand, can you see what this finger's doing? It kind of lifts up at the end. It's kind of magical, because I really struggle to do that A shape fast. I can do it, but to do it fast, So you're going to see this shape come out, and that's all I'm doing. I'm just doing that usual A shape with a bar sliding up, okay? Nothing too weird, it just looks really weird. And sometimes that clamps over and it looks even weirder. Go with it, okay? So when you do your reggae beat, keep it nice and simple to start with. So you want to go mute. If I bring this one up, you're going to mute 1, squeeze 1, mute 1, squeeze 1. Now can you see they're going squeeze, don't squeeze, squeeze, don't squeeze. If you watch the middle finger, it's a dead giveaway. So you mute, and it's all just on top of the strings but not pushing. So you get that kind of sound. So you mute, squeeze, mute, squeeze. Going too fast, really. We're still in ska territory. Good, and then I would go to D, then back to A. So that's the bulk of your chorus with this song in particular, but just generally with that reggae beat, just keep going like that for a long time, because that takes some getting used to. Once you've got the reggae beat, then you can start mixing it up and doing things like... So I'm just going squeeze, mute, squeeze, mute, down, up with a squeeze, mute, squeeze, mute, down, up with a squeeze, mute, squeeze. So mute, down, up, mute, squeeze, mute, down, up, mute, squeeze, mute, so you'll see all that kind of stuff happening. So I'll just play you a little bit of it, okay? And let's see if you can, if I try my hardest to calm down and go slowly, see if you can play along, okay? I'll go that kind of speed. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. This is a good message to you. Saying don't worry about a thing, especially playing the guitar, 'cause every little thing, I don't know where I was going, is gonna be alright. It's 'cause I'm going slow. Rise up this morning, smile with the rise your E. Three little birds perched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, singing, this is my message to you. I swear I'm sped up. I'll slow down. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Saying don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. I'll show you some extras you can do. Don't worry about a thing. A7. So you just lift off your little finger, yeah? Gives you A7. Very nice. About a thing. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. So when you get up to that D, got the option of putting your little finger over on 8th on your B string. Is gonna be alright. Oh, go back to A rose. So over there, but not there for very long. So if I go from A, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. I'll do it again. I'll try and go slower for you. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. And then the rest is all nice and standard, okay? I think that's the only opportunity for an A7, but I might go around again for you. And I think I'll use the other rhythm as well, so that you get an idea of just how simply you can do it when you're still getting used to it. So if we go from the verse, so rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun, three little birds perched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, singing, this is my message to you. So that's a simple version. Or you can keep this going the entire time and control everything with this bar. So don't worry about a thing. So I'm going to squeeze, don't squeeze, 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 mute, squeeze, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Squeeze, mute, squeeze, mute, squeeze, mute, squeeze. Worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. So there you go. That's how I play it anyway. Those are about 3 different techniques on how to do a nice chilled out reggae beat. By all means, go slower than I do. Just have this knack for getting carried away with stuff. But yeah, there you go. Hope that helps you chill out on this beautifully sunny day. Look at this. It's coming for you guys. Lovely sun. Thank you for watching. See you again.